Hello everybody, I'm Mainly Kevin Collects here. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, I open up packs. And today is Thursday where I open up kind of any kind of packs. I usually call it TCG Thursday or something like that, but I don't really know what to call it. But hopefully your day, besides me rambling, moving around the tripod, hopefully your day's been gone swimmingly. And today we are opening up, boom, some Marvel ToppsChrome 2025. This looks like fun because it just looks like you're just opening up Marvel characters. And I don't know what the hit was up until I asked the one of the employees. And apparently, you need to look for the cards that have, what is it? They have like a scratch, I seen it. Some streamers pulled it from what I saw. I think they were opening this. So 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 packs in this. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Let's see what we get. I don't know what comes in this. I don't know who's in here. But let's see. Oh, the fuck? Oh, we got Professor Xavier. Damn, bro. So shiny you can see my phone and stuff. You can almost see me. That's upside down. I don't know. What the hell? Okay. So, the rest are right side up. Cadet Marvel. There's a Cadet Marvel? What the hell? War Machine. Dude, these things look clean. A good thing it doesn't leave fingerprints. The hell? And it's an Enchantress. Wow. How many cards does it come with? 4? Does it really just come with 4 cards? Oh, it does. It says on the pack. I'm dumb. Alright, let's see. So if it's gonna be like that, then I might as well go like this. Ha! Cloak. Hey, you're from the Rivals game. Hey, whoa. I got something cool. Spider-Man. Is that the Spider-Man? I don't know. Oh, what the fuck? We got Ego. Dude, these things are shiny. Oh, man. Should have known. Franklin Richards. Is this the son of? Yeah, right. Ooh, what is this? It said look for the. What the fuck? On the box it said look for the Iron Man exclusive card. Is this one of the Iron Man? I don't know if I pulled something good or not. I can't I can't tell with Topps. Well, I'm gonna sleeve this one up because it just looks cool, I guess. What? There we go. Damn, that's a pretty sick Iron Man. It just hold on. I'm sorry. But the box says here, find one exclusive Iron Man gold insert in every... Oh, okay. So this must be my gold insert of the Iron Man. Okay. There we go. There's my gold insert. That's what I thought I read on the box. Okay. Bada boopy. Oh. Okay. Athena. Arshem? Oh, right. I was like, I remember watching the Immortals? What is that? Sentry. And ooh, a Kitty Pryde. Oh, the heck? A genetically gifted genius mutant, Kate Pryde, Uses her power. Is it Kitty? Yeah, it is Kitty. Okay. Uses her power of phase. Yeah, okay, I knew it. She was the girl that phases through. When does she use katanas? It intends really to stop her mutant enemies from hurting mankind. In her early days with the X-Men, she faces off with Emma Frost and Magneto. Kitty eventually joins Emma to liberate mutants, blurring the lines between her adversaries and allies. Huh. So she kind of like turned... Huh. Okay, so she kind of becomes like an anti-hero? Almost. Okay. That's another gold card. That's pretty cool. But damn, bro, these things are shiny. Ain't gonna lie. And I'm a man that likes shiny cards, but... these ones are just straight up to shine. Banshee. Where is he from? Oh, I see some... Man, that's like giving that shit away. Namor. Oh. Whoa. That's different. Wasp. That's different, isn't it? Yeah. That's giving me a rainbow. And then we got... Who is this? Forge? Oh, we got a numbered card. 295 out of 299. Nice. That's pretty cool. Forge. Who the fuck are you, though? I don't know you. Forge is a member of the Cheyenne tribe and was trained in mysticism by his tribe's shaman. He is a mutant sorcerer, inventor, and warrior, turning his back on his mystic side. Forge concentrated on a career as an inventor and was commissioned by the Department of Defense to create weaponry. That's pretty cool. Put that over there. And then, what is this? Oh, it's just a refractor. Okay. Oh, a refractor. That mean anything? Is this like a rare? What is this? Trading cards are so much easier to figure out than, at least well, only because it tells you on the trading cards. These ones, I don't know. I don't know if I should sleeve that or not. Probably not. Oh, I think that kind of ruined what the back card is. Oh well. Hey, it's Beta Ray Bill. I forgot what his weapon's called. Sabretooth. Hey, you hate Wolverine. Oh, nice. Oh, fuck. I love Blade. I love watching those old movies with Wesley Snipes. Oh! Future Star Spider Boy. What the fuck is this? Spider Boy? Kidnapped by Madame Monstrosity, 7-year-old Bailey Briggs undergoes experiments against his will. She splices his DNA that is with that of a spider, giving a spider strength, spider speed, wall-crawling abilities, and spider sense, and warns him of danger. He transforms physically, receiving additional eyes and fangs. Oh. Well then, Spider Boy, future stars. Oh, it does say up there, FS7. Okay, sleeve this up. Sleeve up the future star boy. Huh, Spider Boy? You're gonna be a future star boy? Just like The Weeknd, you're gonna be like a star boy? Alright, let's put you over there. I don't know. I completely forgot how Starboy went. Okay, let's just keep this down. Why? And then, oh, we see some gold. God damn, man. We got Colossus. Bullseye. That's cool. Haven't seen him since the first Daredevil movie with Ben Affleck as Colin. I don't know why I mentioned Ben Affleck, but Ben Affleck was Daredevil, but Colin Farrell was was Bullseye. Captain America and Ant-Man. Nice. That's cool. What are these called? Nothing. They're... What the fuck? They're just gold cards? Am I just sleeving just gold cards? So what are these? Are these rares? You know what? I'll probably sleeve that. I'm gonna sleeve that, Where is it? There she is. Give me that wasp. It's a refractor, so... Well, at least it tells me in the corner. Alright. Last pack. Let's see what we get. Ooh. We got Black Knight. Dope. Black Knight. Kazam. Or Kazar? Who the fuck are you, man? Kazar. Webhead. And Nebula Anniversary. What the fuck is this? 40th anniversary? No, what the hell? What is this? Oh. A Marvel's anniversary card celebrating 40th years of Nebula. That's pretty cool. Huh. That's interesting. Wait, what the fuck? I just noticed before I end this. What's this first? First appearance. Oh, does that mean this is the first appearance of this? That's pretty cool. Linda matched with Peter Parker on a dating app. Met him in Staten Island for a date. Their date was interrupted by a rampaging creature while Peter made his excuses to fight the monster. As Spider-Man, Lydia joined in with an unnamed identity after defeating Creature X. Lydia assumed their date. Huh. But she's called Webhead? Did she stick with that name? Did they? Kazar's not the first one, but what the... Who is this man? Kevin Plunder's father... Wait, what the fuck? Kevin Plunder's father led an exception... Kevin Plunders' father led an expedition for a rare element which they found the jungles of the savage land. Lord Plunder was killed, although Kevin was saved by the sudden appearance of Zabu. Zabu took Kevin with him into the land of the mist, where the man apes would call him Kazar, meaning son of the tiger. Huh. But your real name is Kevin. Well, my name is unswimmingly Kevin Colex. Alright, well. Oh, seems like we had another hit in there. Or another refractor, at least. I didn't even know this. It was Enchantress. Huh. Almost missed out on that. Well, at least put that away. Or at least... I don't know if these should be sleeved, but I'll sleeve them. They're different. They're weird. they should be separated. Alright. And just to finish this off, let's look at the hits of this box. So we got a refractor Enchantress, a 40th anniversary of Nebula. That's pretty cool. A refractor of Wasp, gold card Ant-Man, Future Stars Spider-Boy, a numbered forge. Or a serialized forge. A Kitty Pride. And the gold card that comes with the anniversary thing. Or whatever. Or what is this? I thought it was an anniversary. But yeah, with the box. Alright. Thanks for watching. Leave a like. And leave a comment on if I pulled your favorite superhero. Who is your favorite superhero? Well, my favorite superhero is not in Marvel. Mine is a DC. But what is it? But yeah, my favorite superhero is Batman. Just in case. But superhero in Marvel, I don't know. But yeah, but subscribe if you like content similar to this, because I do that. I just do pack openings, and that's all basically. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.